Real Agriculture's coverage of Agritechnica 2019 is brought to you by Brevant. Seed, yield, easy. Sean Haney here with Real Agriculture. We're at Agritechnica 2019 in Hanover, Germany. Brought to you by Brevant, and right now we're in the ZF booth, and we're talking to Raphael. Raphael, how's it going?
Good, hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So you're having a good show?
We are having a perfect show so far. Very interested people coming here. Interesting products all over the fair, and I think we have some especially good products that we can show you here.
Yeah, you know, as Jay and I have been walking around, we've really noticed a growth here in the talk about electricity and electric drives. And of course, there's people talk, you know, some of the manufacturers are talking about full-blown electric tractors, but we're not there with battery power. No. But where we are right now is electric drives are very, very possible. A lot of interest in your product here, the implement electric drive.
Yes,
let's talk about the why and how it could really benefit farmers.
Well, I think we are showing it. I'm not sure if you're seeing this in the background of the screen, but we, for example, implemented an electrified plow. So at the end, you are capable to carry a larger implement with the same size of tractor due to the electrified implement, due to the traction force on the implement side and not only on the tractor side.
So yeah, because traditionally all the power, of course, is coming from the tractor, but now we're moving power back to the back wheel, back axle of the implement, which essentially then is also powered and providing 100% torque right away. So we're able to either pull a bigger implement or we're able to use a smaller tractor.
Exactly, those are the two options: smaller tractor, bigger implement. Both at the end is the beneficiary is at the end the end user.
Yeah, and I've. You know, you used it on a test case of a plow, but I think back in Western Canada, like a big air cart, you know, we've got a 1,000-bushel cart, and it's a lot of weight for that tractor. I mean, that drill may be 80 feet wide. There's a lot of weight there. Okay. And so having an electric drive on that back air cart would have a huge benefit. So you've got to definitely, you're onto something here.
We are onto something here, and I think this is what we are showing here, yes.
So, are there any limitations that you're still trying to get over in terms of this technology? Any constraints, or is the technology really, it's here now?
I don't believe that the technology is completely here yet. It's always the problem, who starts first? Does the implement start first, or does the tractor start first? And this is kind of the English word is tough to find, but who starts? But at the end, when it starts, we are ready, and this is what we are showing here with different applications. Also with the ECVT in the background, then we are ready. Yeah. It's technologically possible.
Does it require any, from a battery perspective on the tractor, can you talk about that, some of the specs of that? Like how much more battery power do you need on the tractor to power it?
We wouldn't use any battery. We are using, for example, what we are showing here, ECVT. So the tractor itself is still diesel powered, but it's also producing energy for the implement itself. But it would not be, at least not in the big classes, a battery electric tractor. This would not be possible due to the capacity of the batteries.
Yeah, and so it would be basically a cable running to the back implement.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Well, you know, Raphael, thanks a lot for joining us here today. This is definitely a key trend, and really appreciate you talking to us about it.
You're very welcome. Thank you.